All right, what's poppin' YouTube? I'm back with another episode. Today, man, we're back to these deadlifts, y'all. I don't know. It happens to be Tuesday that I deadlift quite a bit. So let me just run you guys through this. So we're gonna do real quick deadlifting. Probably gonna run into a lat pull down afterwards, some type of bicep curl, another type of row afterwards, and then from that, we'll see what we finish off with. I'm really just gonna wing it today and see how it goes. All right, let's do this shit, y'all. I already got my warm ups in, so now it's just now it's getting my warm-up sets in, and we'll see how this shit goes, all right? Come on. All right, second warm-up set in. Whew, let's get to the next one, y'all. I set 2 of this warm-up. We're moving on to 3 plates here. Again, I always determine what my working set is going to be by these warm-ups, so we'll see how this shit goes real quick, y'all. Let's get this going. Come on. Okay, feeling good today, y'all. First warm-up set. The second one, I'm capping. All right, we'll see what we got. All right, y'all. This is gonna be my first working set right here. Let's get this shit moving. 4 plates in. We'll see how it goes. No belt at first. Remember how we said we're trying to work on this core stability shit, but last time I was dead afterwards. So let's see how this shit feels today. Come on, feeling good about it. Oh, come on. Oh no, that was ugly, but that was ugly. We did it though. First working set. 3 reps. Let's see what we got next one. All right, y'all. Set 2 working set here. Had to put the belt on, you know. Try to create a little bit more of that power over here. Let's get this shit moving. See how this feels. Set 2, babies. Ladies and gents, come on. All right, I feel better. I'm going a little heavy for that next one, y'all. All right, come on. All right, y'all. They're going for a PR today. We're gonna see what we're feeling, cause you never know. I've done this with just that little extra 10 on the side, but now we threw another 5 in there. So we're going up 10 pounds. Nothing crazy, but slowly but surely, y'all. All right. Let's get this some crack in me real quick. Let's see what's happening here. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Ooh. That's it. Ooh. Come on. All right, y'all. We're going for record number 2 today, guys. Let's see if we hitting PRs back to back. I did it the other day, so shit. Who says it can't? Okay, last heavy set. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. One more. Nope. Oh. Got that one though. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh man, that was a close one. Hell no. That's it right there, y'all. Now we're moving on to some pull downs here. Just so y'all know that, deadlifts really tend to hit the lower back like crazy. So I like to switch it up from lower back to upper back right here. This is more upper, mid, and lats as well. But yeah, again, we got to switch it up a little bit. Let's do this shit. Come on. That's it for the first one. Okay, set one. Oh yeah, that's what we do. Come on. Ugh. That's it. Oh fuck. Okay, that's it. Ooh shit! I didn't cut that shit. I keep myself together here. Want to set 3 plays? Let's get this shit going. Come on, baby shit right here, right? All right, let's go. Come on. Oh my god, dude. Oh, my back's gonna fall off. Last set of these. I'm ready to get these bitches over with. We've already been in this bitch for like an hour and a half. Hey, that's how it goes, all right? That's how it goes in here. Let's get it. Set 4. Come on. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's fucking it. Oh, fuck. All right, y'all. My cameraman bailed on me. He said fuck me and everything I stand for, but no, I'm just talking shit. He had to go get to work or some shit. So let's get this shit rolling, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna have to go with this vertical view here. So gotta do what you gotta do, guys. I'll get a new camera here soon where I can just completely shoot it sideways or horizontal, just cause I'm just getting into this shit and we're just trying to see how we make the most out of this. But let's get it. Let's get it. Set one of these fucking curls. See how it goes. See how it's moving. That's it. Oh fuck. That's set 1 right there. All right, let's get it. Set 2. Set 2. Oh shit. Oh, that's what we're here for, y'all, right? God damn. All right, y'all, we got 3 sets of this and we're done with it. I just wanted to, again, smaller muscle groups, less sets. Come on. It's all fuck me. On to the next exercise, y'all. Let's finish this day off. All right, yeah, we got set 1 of T-bar rows here. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling beat to hell after those deadlifts, you know? Fucking, I hit some PRs, 2 PRs today, back to back. And that was some crazy shit for me, guys. And I'm ready to take a fucking nap. But here we are, right? Let's get this shit going. Last exercise of the day here. Come on. Fuck, dude. Oh, I always squeeze my fucking balls on this one, guys. Holy shit. All right, set 2 of 4. And, guys, again, I mean, y'all see how hard I'm going at these, right? The intensity is crazy at the end. Like, it should be tough as fuck, you know? You should be dying at the end. Okay, not dying, but you should be sucking like a motherfucker here. Let's get this shit going. Come on, set 2. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Okay, we're getting 8 now, though, y'all. We used to only be able to do 6. That shit is slowly but surely we're getting better, y'all. I mean, I hope so. I've been bulking for like fucking 3 months now. I'm like, I better be getting some fucking gains. Let's keep this shit rolling. All right, let's hit it, y'all. Set 3 or 4. We're gonna try for this PR here, see how much we get. I'm pretty confident. I'm feeling damn good today, y'all. Come on, let's get it. Set 3. Let's go. Let's go. That was it. Oh, we'll take it. 4.5. Fuck. All right, y'all. Last set of the day here. All right, let's get this shit going. I'm ready to fucking call it here. Oh, let's see how this feels. Come on, let's see what we got. Come on, let's go. 3, 2. Again, we'll take it. Oh, that was it. That's all we need there, guys. Fuck. All right, let's go finish out with a little pump check. All right, let's finish off with a little pump check here. See what we got. Oh, and I'm beat to fuck, dude. There's a banger of a back day here, but let's do it. Come on. Oh, man. All right. That's what we got for y'all today. All right. So, everybody, I'd appreciate if y'all go share, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And we're trying to bring you guys the best content I can. All right. So, go show somebody you're trying to help get to it. Let's get to it together, y'all. Y'all have a great one. See y'all next time.